Recording in progress.
Good afternoon, everybody. Let's go ahead. We were in question number 9. We are in total income chapter, so it is just merger of all the chapters. So nothing different, new concepts that will take later on. Chalo bachcho, let's come to question number 9. Any answers you have? Those have been solved. What is asked in the question? Is NTI asked, by the way? Are हाँ या ना? Obviously we want total income ना? Give me NTI bachcho if you have solved. Have you solved? बोलो फटाफट. Have you solved or not solved? Okay, Mansi. Others? Anybody else? Let's go ahead, everybody. So, not solved. Akshay, Kushbu, Indrajit. Okay. Let's start. चलो write in a notebook. Computation of total income of Mr. X. For AY 23-24, particulars rupees. Yes, still here? चलेगा? Look at the data. Mr. X retired on 31st December 22 at the age of 58 after putting in 25 years 9 months of service from a private company in Mumbai. He was paid salary of 25,000 per month, HRA 6,000 per month. He paid rent of 6,500 per month during the tenure of his service. Okay. On retirement, he was paid a gratuity of 3.5 lakhs. He was covered by PGA Act. Mr. X had not received any other gratuity at any point of time earlier other than this gratuity. That means no exemption was claimed any time earlier. Yes, gratuity is also given to us. Oh, Bhagwan. Can we go ahead? Next one. What other adjustment is given to us? He had accumulated leave balance of 15 days per annum during the period of his service. He had accumulated leave of 15 days per annum, per year. This was encashed by Mr. X at the time of his retirement. The sum of 3,15,000 was received by him in this regard. The average salary which may be taken as 24,500 or is already given to you. An employer allowed 30 days leave per year. So that is also within the range of 30 days per year. After retirement, he started his textile business and incurred a loss of 80,000 for the period of up to 31st March 23. Business loss. He had invested 62,500 in PPF and 37,500 between NSC, that is your section ATC, rupees 1 lakh. Can we start? So mainly this entire question is only about what, bacho? Salaries, na? Haan ya na? Now tell me, the only other income he has as such is business income. Are haan ya na? And that also over there he has a loss of 80,000. Can he set off this business loss against his salary income or no? What do you think? He is not allowed to set off, so he can just carry it forward. So ultimately, even in the current year, there are no other heads of income, only salary. So this becomes bacho, normally a big question of salary only. Nothing great. Hai na? Let's start. Chalo. So he bacho retired during the year, by the way. Okay, he retired during the year. And have they given anything about pension? Tell me this. Have they given in the question anything about pension? Nothing. So we'll take salary bachcho for 9 months. That is up to what? December. Hai na? So write down. First head of income. Income from salaries. Yes, clear all of you? So salary बच्चों अंडर सेक्शन 17(1) बेसिक 1 है ना. फर्स्ट में बच्चों बेसिक सैलरी ₹25,000. करेक्ट नो. Into 9 months 225. That is first part. Second, HRA received. Yes, tell you. I think he's getting what, 60? No, he's getting 6,000 rupees. So rupees 6,000 into again 9 months. 72. 54. 9 6 6 times 54, no? But less obviously than exempt under section 10(13)(a है ना. Remember ना, 10(13)(a. Yes, children, all of you. Next one. What is bachcho exempt list of the following? Under that first one, actual HRA received 54,000. Correct. Rent paid in excess of 10% of salary. Salary for this purpose, bachcho, is always what? DA plus retirement forming part of commission plus DA, BA, DRS allowance, basic plus DA forming part of retirement plus commission as a fixed percentage of turnover. But is anything given to us about DRS allowance or even commission? No. So basic only. है ना, everybody, is it okay? So rent paid, how much is rent paid? 6,500 into 9 months, correct here? Minus 10% of 2,25,000. Is it right, all of you? Rent paid in excess of 10% of salary. Salary for this purpose 2,25,000. Give me this figure, bachcho. 6,500 into 9 minus 22,500. 36,000 months, okay? And see, bachcho, he is in Mumbai. I hope you had read in the question. So 50% of basic, not basic, sorry, 50% of the salary. Sorry, I should not write 36,000 there first. I should write here, no, first, the calculation, 36,000. Sorry. 50% of salary. So 50% of 2,25,000 was 1,12,500, correct? Well, 1,12,500. So who is the least, bachcho? 36,000. That will be exempted. Okay? Do you have any other allowances in the question? Allowance, or you can say bonus, commission, anything, to put under 17(1). Gratuity 17(3), leave encashment 17(3). No other income. No 17(2) also, है ना? चलेगा? So that is his first income. Income under salary 17(1), है ना? 17(1) salary. That is okay. Then second, salary under section 17(3). Again, first one, बच्चों, gratuity received, है ना? Gratuity received is 3,35,000. Sorry, 3,50,000. Less exempt under section 10(10). Tell me what 10(10) or 10(10)(a) what? 10(10), na? Least of following. Are you with me? First of all, actual HRA received. ₹350,000. Second, statutory limit 20, correct na? And it's given to you that he has not claimed any benefit earlier, so entire 20 is available. Answer, but will be 3.5 lakhs or less than that. That depends on the third case. Is he covered or not covered under PGA? But he is covered. He was covered under PGA. So is it 15 by 26? Tell me this. Are ha ya na? $15/26. Then, what about fraction? More than 6 months is a year or not a year? It is a year. So 25 years, 9 months is 26 years. Are ha? And salary for this purpose is what? Is it HRA salary? Or under that big salary? Taxable bonus, taxable allowance salary. Which one? Achha, DA own full. So basic plus DA in full. Remember everybody or no? किधर गया? Volume 1 it will be something like that. Salaries. Salary plus DA in full, correct. Now in the given question, we don't have any DA, so it's just basic. Basic was how much? Of last month's salary, 25,000. Is it right, bachcho? 25,000. Calculate this figure. Is it 375? But which one will take बच्चों 3,50,000 then? ठीक है? Okay, all of you? 15/26 कैसे? Because he is covered under Gratuity Act, and this we had covered in your chapter of salaries. 15/26. 15 days you will take as a monthly number of working days out of 26. Okay. So gratuity got exempt, by the way, है ना? Second, after gratuity, leave encashment बच्चों received 3,15,000. So second one, leave encashment received. How much? 3,15,000. है ना all of you? Clear till here? 3,15,000. 1010A, how much? Or 1010A what it is? Least of the following. Okay. Again, go back to 1010A. Actual received है ना? 3 lakh 15. Is there a statutory limit of 5 lakhs or 3 lakhs? Three lakhs, okay. And third one, now what it is? What calculation or what fourth one we have calculation? We have 4 calculations. 10 months average salary, है ना बच्चों? It is average 10 months salary. Just salary, है ना? So 2 lakh 50,000. Over there, what do we add in the salary? Leave encashment. Average salary of last 10 months. And what is salary for this purpose? DA. Basic plus DA for retirement. And commission. So 25,000 only, na? Correct, everybody? Tell me. Then how much? Actually, 9 months only, or what? That's why?
It's given. In question it is given.
Oh, sorry. And so competition is already given to you. ठीक है. Because it was not given to us, whatever changes are happening. Okay, fine. Average salary is 24,500. ठीक है. 24,500 given. Into 10 months, 2,45,000. And fourth, fourth one is what? That number of month, number of days, no? How many days is the balance over here? He has 15 days per year balance, na? Correct, everybody? 15 days. For how many years? 25 years. Correct, Leo? So 15 days into 25 years. We ignore the fraction over there. Is it like that? Leave encashment. Ignore any fraction of the year. Correct. Ignore any fraction of the year for leave encashment. Yes, Chalia? So 15 days into 25 years, you will get number of days. Divide by 30, you will get number of months into average salary of last month, 24,500. Yeah, na? Correct. Last 10 months. Give me this figure. Others, all of you, remaining all of you, please calculate. Okay, don't just copy paste. Is it 3 lakhs? हाँ, 3,06,250. Lease is what then? 2,45,000 है ना? That much बच्चों will exempt 2,45,000. Fine, Taylor, all of you. Any other income remains as such now? That business, I mean, you go to other head of income, that is different thing. First, give me total bachcho of this. Come on, this is your gross salary, by the way. No complication at all in the question, bachcho. No complication at all. You know? Give me gross salary. 3,13,000. Less standard deduction under section 16(1)(a). And that is also my gross total income because I don't have any other income, bachcho. है ना? So income from salaries. Gross total income 263. Less chapter 60 deduction. Section 80C both are allowed. Net total income है ना? $163, correct everybody? Write a note. First one, textile business loss. Cannot be set off, है ना? From salary income. Yes, clear all of you? Therefore, will be carried forward. Carried forward for next, or up to next 8 years. Fine, all of you? Done, everybody? Can we go ahead? This is done? It was not that tough question, बच्चों. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. अक्षय ओके बेटा? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Ready? First we'll go through the question, entire question. Okay. तो obviously the question is what compute total income, है ना? For AY 23-24, है ना? Total income. Ready बच्चों? Dr. Niranjana, a resident individual, age 60 years. So, bachcho already 60 years old. So, she is a senior citizen, is running a clinic, profession. Her income expenditure account is given to us. Consultation and medical charges 58 lakh 85,850. What comes to your mind? Reading that much. What comes to your mind? Yes, Indrajit. So what? What will be what will happen? Only this much I'm asking. Only this much. Not nothing else. Khushbu, Akshay. 80D. Hey Bhagwan. She is a doctor running a clinic. She is getting fees of consultation. Yes, Khushbu, correct. That is a professional fees. What else comes to your mind? Amount. Looking at the amount. Correct. Mansi. Tax audit. 41 AB bachcho will be applicable. Profession. Profession. That is what I hint I gave you in the very beginning. Doctor is obviously doctor is a profession. It is more than 50 lakhs. The turnover or let us say sorry, gross receipts are more than 50 lakh rupees. है ना? 41 AB tax audit bachcho will be applicable. है ना? Yes. Then chalo. Income tax refund of 5450. Principal is 5,000, interest is 450. Only this will be taxable. 5,000 is not an income. As it is, it will go under iOS. But we will remove the entire figure and put only 450 in iOS. Different from units of UTI, iOS. When you come game show, net of TDS. TDS there is of 15,000. But you have credited to PNL 35. But again, iOS. Rent income, house property. Yes, tell all of you. Expenses. Medicine consumed, obviously for the clinic, na bachcho. Whatever the medicines are given to the patients. Yes, Celia? Staff salary, clinic consumables, rent paid, administrative expenses, amount paid to scientific research association approved under section 35, allowed NP, 4,40,000, whatever it is given to us. Okay? Rent paid, this much. Includes 30,000 paid by check towards rent for her residential house in Surat. This is income expenditure account of the profession, the clinic. And rent paid includes 30,000 bachcho for her residential house. What should we do? If I give you answer, then there is no point, na? We will write down the writing down and together that will do. You should tell me what will happen. What will we do? There are two impacts of it, but at least one impact you should tell me. We will not consider that 30,000. So, but it is already debited to. It is already debited or no 90,000. Yes. So we will disallow 30,000. है ना? Because why बच्चों? It is for personal purposes. Clear or no? It is for personal purpose. बच्चों for business or profession. What do we say? It has to be wholly and exclusively for the purpose of business or profession. Correct? No? So here that 30,000 will be disallowed. There is one more impact by the way of rent paid toward residential house. One more impact which will come into picture. Come on. Anybody? I'll give you answer. Come on, I was thinking somebody will get it correctly. Rent paid towards residential house. A person who doesn't get HRA. What more hint you want after that now? Huh? Array? A person who doesn't get. Answer is chapter 6. Under that we don't know. a person who doesn't get HRA but pays rent for residential purpose. घर 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 I told you बच्चों घर घर correct. ATG is donation, so ATGG. Okay, that impact will come into picture. ठीक है, fine. Can we go ahead, everybody? Clinic equipments are open in WDB, okay, and then new units are purchased. 1 for 22 and 7, 12, 22, it is purchased. Open in WDB and clinic equipment. Plant and machinery 15% will take P&M. Then rent received, this one. Related to properties situated at Surat, okay. GAB 27, municipal taxes paid, 2000 paid in December. Okay, has been included in administrative expenses. Again, bachcho, it is not your clinic expenditure, so that 2000 bachcho will be disallowed because it is debited to P&L or income expenditure. She received, now further something separate. She received a salary of 7,500 per month from Full Care Hospital, which has not been included in the consultation and medical charges. She received a salary. So we will put it bachcho under the head of salaries only. Okay, all of you? Otherwise, they would have given bachcho consultation fees, counseling fees, visiting fees. They would have given the word. They are using the word salary. We will take it as salary. Dr. Niranjana availed a loan. She took a loan of 5,50,000 from a bank for higher education of her daughter. Allowed. She repaid 1 lakh principal and interest 55,000. But this much we allow. Give me section number. We don't allow principal, we allow only interest. Yes or no? No, Indrajit. Correct, Mansi. It is not tuition fees, Indrajit. Put everything, na? ATC also, ATE also, 70E, wah, ATE, wah. You keep on changing answers. ATE. What do we allow, bachcho? Only principal. She paid 1 lakh as tuition fees, which is not the development or donation fees, to the university for full-time education of her daughter. This is ATC, tuition fees, no? Then, an amount of 20,000 was also been paid by check on 27 March 23 for a medical insurance premium, LIC, ATC. Bachcho. From the above, compute total income of Srimati, Dr. Srimati, SMT Srimati. Oh, sorry. Okay, Mansi, thank you. The medical insurance policy, sorry. Medical bachcho, ATD, so smart. But what is her age? 60 years. How much bachcho will be allowed? 25, 28 or 50? How much will we claim? Yes, Indrajit, correct. Akshay, how much will claim? Khushbu, Nitin, for point number 7 under ATD. Whatever is paid up to 50,000, so 28,000 much will allow under ATD. Clear till here? These small things but you have to keep in mind. Ready? Chalo, give me heads of income. Do you have income from salary? Yes, you have. House property you have? Yes, you have. PGPP obviously you have. CG is not there, but iOS is there. Interesting. What else they have asked you? Only total income. Chalega? Right now. है ना? चलो बच्चों. Ready? Steady. Go. Computation of for AY 23-24. Okay, Dr. Niranjana, you can write down the entire name. Particulars rupees. Ready? Income from salaries. First part, basic income, basic salary. Into 12 months. How much? 90. Correct, na? Less what, bachcho? There are no other calculation given for salary, okay? So directly I am taking only standard deduction. Is it okay? So less. Standard deduction under section 161A 50,000. Chalega? 40. Fine till here all of you? Right, no? Next. Income from house property. Rent received. How much? 27,000 is the rent received. है ना? And what are they saying? GAB is also 27,000. Okay, so rent received and GAB, whatever, same thing. Less. Has she paid municipal taxes? Yes, municipal taxes paid. Correct, na? Municipal taxes was just 2,000, na, bachcho? Yes, 2,000. Allowed. What do you arrive at? NAV. Net annual value less deduction. Is there any interest bachcho on loan given to us? No. So directly deduction under section 24B. Standard deduction bachcho. 24B at the rate of 30% of NAV. 7,500 na? 7,500. Yes, tell you. What do you arrive at bachcho? Income from HP. 17,500. Yes, clear all of you. Simple. Kushbu okay. Nitin, Akshay, Mansi, Indrajit. ठीक है ना? Third one. Income from profession. We'll make a separate working note for that. Working note 1. Okay. Next one, last one. Income from other sources. First one. Interest on refund. 450. Yes. Dividend on UTI units. 10,500. And third, game show winning. How much will take game show winning? How much income will show in the calculation? 15,000, 35,000 or 50,000? 15, 50 or 35? 50. We show always gross, correct? Gross income. Give me total of iOS 50, 60, 60,000, 950. चलेगा ना ऑल ऑफ यू? टोटल बच्चों विल अराइव एट GTI. वी हैव टू गेट कंप्यूट प्रोफेशन बट स्टिल, है ना? Gross total income less what? Chapter 6A deduction. Under that first one, section 80C. What do we see? Can I take tuition fees? Yes. One lakh. Second, section 80E. अरे हाँ, अगेन लोन ना, इंटरेस्ट ऑन एजुकेशनल लोन. इंटरेस्ट इज अलाउड 55,000. स्टिल ऑल ऑफ यू? अरे हाँ बोलो. ओके नितिन चलेगा. थर्ड, ATD मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, है ना? मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम हाउ मच? 28,000 entirely we can take, है ना? Because of resident senior citizen. And let me write a note later on, and because it came to my mind properly. Hello Tilotma, good afternoon. कैसे हो? Good afternoon. Yeah. We can't claim 80G. I realize that now. The question is, बच्चों, why we can't claim 80G? Tell me. As you are only asking me why. Okay. An individual, है ना, paying rent for residential purpose. Okay. She stays in Surat. Who told you she stays in Surat? अच्छा अच्छा, ओके इंद्रजीत, फाइन, गुड. नेट टोटल इनकम, हाँ. And what else? Other reason? Yeah, Indrajit, correct. 80GG बच्चों is allowed only if the assessee does not own HP. Is it like that? Check. Wow, very good Indrajit. Good. है कि नहीं? All of you? How are you Tillu? बोलो बच्चों. 80GG said what? 80GG. It can't be owned. HP is not owned, or at least it's not in the same city. Check here in chapter 6 deduction chapter. GG. We have discussed this already. Yeah. The assessee should not own. Where is it? No deduction if any accommodation is owned by assessee or his spouse or his minor child or HUF of which he is a member at the place where he ordinarily resides. Correct. So she stays in Surat and she is paying rent in Surat, but she will not be allowed because she already also has an HP in Surat. है ना? Good point, बच्चों. Yes. Correct. Can you go ahead, everybody? चलेगा? So ATGG बच्चों cannot be claimed. What remains? Income from profession. Ready? चलो. Working notes. First one, income from profession. Particulars rupees. What do we start with the first figure? Profit, na? है ना? Ready? So I'm writing a bachcha now, net profit first. Net profit 4,40,400. चलो 4,40,400 चलेगा? Let us first give effect of the credit side. All these figures, whatever I mentioned on the credit side, are not part of profession, है ना? So simply say बच्चों, taxable under other heads of income, etc. We are removing the credit. My net profit बच्चों, add or less. We are removing the credit. Less. Income tax under other heads. Income tax refund. Dividend from UTI. Game show winning. And rent income, है ना? Finally, all of you? Huh? Now income tax refund, remove everything. 5450. I am removing everything because that is credited, not credited. So I am removing everything. But in iOS I put only 450 interest. UTI remove and everything 10,500. 35,000 here and 27,000 here. Yes, everybody? Hey, na? All of you? Now, what was the adjustment in the expenditure side? Rent paid was disallowed, I told you 30,000 was personal, na? And over here also, municipal taxes paid is also not a business expenditure. Because she has paid for residential house, so both will be disallowed, okay? So add. Personal expenditure debited to P&L. Debited. Okay, whatever. Which one? Rent paid for RHP. 30,000. These are all less, bachcho. So please put them in bracket. Okay. दिस एड 30,000 इन सेकेंड बच्चों, म्यूनसिपल टैक्सेस पेड, है ना. How much is paid? 2,000 I think. That was debited to P&L. I mean income expenditure account. Yes? Hmm. Any adjustment of 1,50,000? No. So it is already debited to income expenditure and also it is also allowed. So no adjustment. Now check what all do we have here. This is taken care of 30,000. Yes. Second now. Give me depreciation, bachcho. And this it is not provided in income and expenditure, na. So we'll provide for depreciation. Okay. We will bachcho provide for depreciation as per income tax. So less income tax depreciation. Tell me. Depreciation. This बच्चों according to 7 December. So less than 180 days ना. अरे हाँ है ना. But opening balance बच्चों full depreciation. Opening WDB 5 lakhs. So pay attention. Check here. 5 lakhs into 15% entirely. Okay. But 2 lakhs is the new asset which was acquired for less than half year. So depreciation बच्चों half. And again she is not a manufacturer or trader. So therefore again बच्चों not any kind of additional depreciation, है ना. ठीक है. Give me this figure. Okay, Mansi. 90,000. Then everybody tell you. Rent received, house property covered, salary is covered, AT, C, E and C covered, MIT covered, done. Everything is done, बच्चों. Calculate properly. Three lakh 450. Okay, thank you. Calculate. Chalo, give me the total now. Put this figure बच्चों in the total income. Profession ना. 3,04,450. Give me GTI. All of you. Akshay, Kushbu, Indrajit. $422,900 is GTI. and reduce these figures of chapter 6A. Two 900. Next one, write down notes, not question but notes. Ready? Income tax refund of principal amount is not an income, no? Is not an income, but interest on such refund is taxable under IOS. Second, game show winning credited is net of taxes however for tax calculation we consider gross income. Okay, everybody? Okay, done everybody. And last one, point number 3, important for us. Dr. Niranjana, you write the entire name, owns a HP. Therefore, she is not eligible for deduction under section 80G for rent paid. Yes, still here, all of you? Done? हो गया? All right.
Recording stopped.
We'll take a break, small break. Okay? चाय पे किया मस्त सब लोग 4:30 के आसपास तक लेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली 4:30 तक लेंगे अपन. हम्म. है ना मानसी, लेक्चर है मेरा 6 बजे. हाँ इधर जी मैं 4:30 4:45 तक और एक क्वेश्चन तो लूँगा मैं ऑब्वियसली, एक या दो. आई थिंक अपने दो, 1 घंटे में दो, आधे घंटे में एक होता है ना. ये कैसे नलायक है मानसी. हाँ मानसी पहुँच जाऊँगा मैं घर पे. हाँ 22 मिनट्स क्या, ट्रैफिक भी हो गई. हाँ मानसी तुम चिंता मत करो. हाँ मेरे को 20 मिनट लगते हैं. 6 बजे का लेक्चर है, मैं 5:30 बजे भी छोड़ सकता हूँ मानसी, टेंशन मत लो ज़्यादा. है ना. नहीं नहीं. ठीक है. ब्रे बाबा, ब्रेक टिल कब तक. 15 मिनट. 3:55 का फिर वो 4 हो जाता है. ठीक है चलिस. कल तक मानसी ऐसे कैसे भाई, कब होगा फिर. अटेम्प्ट आ जाएगा मुंह पे. ठीक है बच्चों, चलो ब्रेक लो फिर. हम्म. या ओके नितिन. हम्म. आगे सब लोग यूट्यूब वालों जो लोग हैं वहाँ पे, अच्छा मानसी तो आ गई। ओके, कौन मिसिंग है? सब लोग आ गए? चालू करें? अच्छा नितिन है यहाँ पे। आई थिंक अक्षय फिर इंद्रजीत पता नहीं कौन। अच्छा इंद्रजीत भी जाने वाला था शायद। व्हाट्स एवर, लेट्स गो एज, लेट्स राइट, लेट्स गो एड एवरीबॉडी।
Recording in progress.
वाके चलो, कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, 5। Not so tough question. I expect you will be able to do it. Question number 5, 15.9. Question number 5. Ready everybody? Balamurugan furnishes the following information for the year ended 31st March 23. Ready? Income from business, loss. Income from HP, loss. Lottery winning gross 5 lakhs. Speculation business income 1. Salary by income by salary computed 60,000. LTCG under section 112 normal LTCG 70,000. Compute is total income, tax liability and advance tax obligations. Okay everybody? Other details are not given to us, so some things we may have to assume. Anyways, where do we have bunch of losses? Correct? Is it compulsory to set off within the same head of income first? Tell me. Okay. Are we allowed to reduce house property bachcho from any other income? What do you think? Correct, na? Huh? House property bachcho can be set off against anybody also, na? Anybody also. Isn't it everybody? And so I can first of all set off business with business. How much balance remaining है? 35. Is it right बच्चों? Alright. And then I can set off the loss of 35,000 from where? Correct. From CG also. Correct. LTCG. Correct. That is also completely allowed. Yes, still all of you? Let's go ahead then. So write down. So nothing great remaining as such in the question. So computation of total income of Mr. Balamurugan for AY 23-24 particulars rupees. Yes, still here? कुछ कुरियर नहीं है ना दिन भर में? मेरा मस्त था। सर ने बनाया? किधर बनाया सर ने? तेरे साथ ही बैठा है ना, अभी ठीक है ना, वही शेयर करने का भी आ जाएगा, मैम को भी दे दिए। नहीं नहीं, मैम इनको तो तू भी और मैम को भी रोज़ शेयर करने का व्हाट्सएप पे। कौन? अरे एडमिन का है ना व्हाट्सएप, एडमिन तो लोगों के पास अपना नंबर रहता है ना व्हाट्सएप पे, स्टेटस पर्सनल नहीं रहे, ऑफिस का नंबर, ऑफिस का नंबर। लेट्स राइट डाउन। चलो, इनकम फ्रॉम सैलरी, $60,000। कैन आई टेक बच्चों HP लॉस, करेक्ट ना, HP लॉस 15,000, राइट लिया। सो 45,000 बच्चों टैक्सेबल फ्रॉम सैलरी, HP लॉस बच्चों सेट ऑफ। सेकेंड, स्पेकुलेटिव बिजनेस इनकम, how much? 1 lakh less normal business loss, will can set up बच्चों up to 1 lakh। $1 lakh, so no income from business, but my balance loss is of 35,000, correct everybody? So third income, LTCG 70,000 less balance normal business loss 35,000, so here also 35,000. Still here all of you? And fourth one, we have income from other sources. Directly I am taking outer column 5 lakhs. Find it all of you. Have they given anything about your deduction, this and that? Nothing, no? Chapter 6 deduction, etc. Nothing. That is your GTI as well as NTI. I know. How much is that? 5, 35 and 45. 18, 580. 5,80,000. Ready? Computation of tax liability. Particulars rupees. Okay. Now pay attention. My entire income NTI is more than 5 lakhs. There is something called as BEL, basic accession limit, है ना? Basic accession limit बच्चों will take it as 2.5 lakhs. Can I reduce, or basically 2.5 lakhs बच्चों, can I reduce from lottery winning income? That whatever, what is the income? Lottery winning, no? Lottery winning, tell me. Write down in bracket, lottery winning. Lottery winning. Are you sure बच्चों? पक्का? I can't reduce basic essential limit बच्चों from lottery winning. It is fully taxed. Do you agree or no? I think there was some also concept of chapter 60 deduction is not allowed. Chapter 60 deduction is not allowed from that lottery income, casual income by the way, obviously. Then unexhausted BEL also not allowed from lottery income. This much also you agree? That's what we discussed. The only word is what? Unexhausted BEL. Unexhausted basic essential limit बच्चों not reduced from, cannot be बच्चों reduced from casual winning. My simple question to you is that basic essential limit 2.5 lakhs, is it allowed for salary? Can we reduce salary बच्चों from BEL? Yes. Can we reduce unexhausted BEL for LTCG? This is 112. Yes, Indrajit, yes, correct. It is also allowed. Correct. Okay, बच्चों, right down. चलो. So first part, basic exemption limit. $250,000. Less salary is how much बच्चों? 45,000. हाँ या ना? Therefore unexhausted. To like 5,000 right now. हाँ या ना? Less important now. LTCG. Allowed to be reduced. How much LTCG I have? 35,000. Balance 170 ना. Right, I still have a balance of 170, but can I reduce it? No. Lottery winnings cannot be reduced from unexhausted BEL. Okay, all of you find till here? Let's go ahead. Therefore, at normal rates, do you have any income to be taxed at normal rates? Nothing. B at special rates. Yes, we have at special rates. What? Again, the lottery winnings. How much it is? 5 lakhs, no? Gross. Into 30%. हाँ है ना बच्चों? Give me section number. I will expect obviously now perfect answers from you. Perfect means foolproof answers. Give me section number of the 30%. Find it anywhere you want. First chapter, TDS chapter. Very good, Mansi. 115 BB. Basic income tax. Just tell here add health and education cess. $6,000, sorry. Correct, no? The total tax liability. Less. Now check. The amount given to you is bachcho gross. We are assuming here the TDS is done. We'll write a note about it. Okay. So let's TDS. Credit on lottery winnings. You know? Again, it is the TDS also bachcho is at the rate of 30%. Under section 194B. Is it right? On rupees 5 lakhs, by the way. Therefore, tax payable is only 6,000. And since bachcho tax payable is only 6,000, now tell me bachcho, whether TDS will be whether advance tax will be applicable. No. Write down. Since tax payable does not exceed rupees 10,000, therefore advance tax obligation means duty, not applicable, no? Fine. Have they given us bachcho when has he won the lottery? The date is not given. Okay. So note, write on note. Lottery winnings is exempt from section 234C interest calculation. Full stop. However, it should be added to calculation after earning the income. Is it okay, all of you? And second note, the remaining tax of rupees 6,000 Then बच्चों when it can be paid or when it should be paid? Very good, Indrajit. Should be paid by 31st March 23, even if advance tax is not applicable. Fine, all of you? Is it okay? Is it everything going fine? I don't find any very out of the box question yet, or very tough calculations. At least now. चलेगा? All okay ना? अक्षय
सर
बोलो.
सर वो जो ऊपर क्वेश्चन में LTCG का कंप्यूटेशन किया ना, सो वहाँ पे हमने अनएग्जॉस्टेड BA लिया, बट एज पर 112A हम ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं ना, 1 लाख रुपीज़ तक एग्जाम्प्ट और उसके अबाउट 10% हम टैक्सेबल करते हैं. तो हमने अनएग्जॉस्टेड BL का यूज़ ना करते हुए इफ 1 लाख रुपीज़ से डिडक्ट किया तो मार्क्स कटेंगे क्या?
For 112A ना?
हाँ, वहाँ पे 1 लाख तक एग्जाम्प्ट रहते हैं, तो यहाँ पे LTCG 35,000 ही है.
But we are having 112 na in the question. In the question we have 112, not 112A. Okay? हाँ. Ready बच्चों? Next one, sixth one. Ready? I think it is a good question. Question number 6 is बच्चों a good question. Ready बच्चों? 15.9. चलो. Mr. Rajiv, age 50 years, so not a senior citizen. A resident individual and practicing chartered accountant means profession. Furnishes you the receipts and payments for the year 22-23. Ready? All of you? What is asked? Obviously total income. Fine. Always read the question first. That is always easier for you to have that point of view. Okay, always read the question first. Okay, total income you want. That is the receipts of payments from his profession. Staff, salary, bonus, stipend to article assistant, other administrative expenses, office rent, housing loan repaid. This has no connection with your business, but okay, housing loan repaid includes interest of 88,000, 24B. So, but your remaining will go under 80C. Housing loan principal, interest 24B. Life insurance premium 80C. Motor car purchase, capital asset means capital expenditure. So, depreciation will come. But which depreciation? Half depreciation, because purchase in January 23. Medical insurance premium 80D. Self and wife 18,000, below 25,000. Books brought, annual publication, depreciation at the rate of I think 40%. Just check book. There is a different block. There are two blocks for book. Annual publication and not annual publication 40%. Computer acquired on 1/11/22 by account paycheck for professional use. Again half depreciation, that is 20%. Correct? Domestic drawings is not an expenditure. Disallowed. Public Provident Fund 80C. Motor car maintenance regular expenditure, but again we will take personal and professional. Okay, we have to apportion this also. Closing balance as on 31st March 23. Cash on hand and bank 1915. Okay. Opening balance 1422. Cash and bank so and so. Fees from professional, that is all his income 59 lakhs. Audit bachcho applicable. Rent 60,000, that will check what rent it is. Motor car loan he has received, that is not an income. Okay, all of you. Now your receipts and payments we have. Do you have income and expenditure proper account? There's like a cash book. Receipts, expenditure. We can't get much of net profit from these figures. है ना? I will come how to solve. We'll obviously understand that. Anyways, following further information is given to you. He occupies 50% of the building for own residence and let out balance for residential use at a monthly rent of 5,000. Part SOP, part let out. We do apportionment. Agreed ना? बोलो. We do much of apportionment by the way, है ना? Then the building was constructed during 97-98 when the loan was taken. What is this बच्चों? What comes to your mind? Condition are but हाँ, what is the condition about? Very good Mansi. This is बच्चों about ceiling limit. Loan is taken 97-98. 97-98, not 2017-18. The house is constructed in 97-98. That time the loan was taken. Okay. So the loan was taken बच्चों before 1/4/1999. 30,000 only. अरे 50%, not 50%. कुछ भी. Apportionment will do ना. Apportionment will do. But there is a ceiling limit of only 30,000. हाँ या ना? Correct? So we'll do apportionment. SOP 30,000. Let out no limit. 50% was Indrajit. Who else? But he was doing apportionment between building and residential and let out. Anyways, motor car बच्चों used for both official and personal. 1/5 personal. 1/5 बच्चों will disallow. 1/5 of what will disallow? Depreciation will disallow 1/5 on motor car. Then this maintenance बच्चों 1/5 of 10,000 will disallow or will allow only 4/5. No car loan interest was paid during the year. He took a loan ना but noise. Not paid but okay. The WDV of the assets as on 1/4/22 opening WDV are given below. Furniture fittings, plant and machinery, AC, photocopiers. Okay. Furniture fittings 10% है बोलो फटाफट. FNF 10%. Plant and machinery 15%. Sorry. Computers 40%. These are all opening WDV by the way. Ali हाँ बत्तो clear no? Mr. Rajiv follows regularly cash system of accounting, compute total income. Okay, everybody? The devil lies in the detail. That is what they say. Do you understand the meaning of that? The devil lies in the details. Means, bachcho, the danger is always in the details. Fine print. Okay? Let's go ahead, everybody. Now, do you have profit and loss account or income and expenditure account? No. You have receipts and payments. Then simply bachcho, look at, we can do again what incomes we have. This was rent income is given. Now what about the rent income? Have they given in? This rent income is 5,000 per month, na, that one side of this building. So this goes under HP. This is your PGPP. Any other income? Do you have bachcho any kind of interest income or anything given to us? Receipts? Nothing. No. So two head of income bachcho we have, house property and PGPP. Clearly here? PGPP bachcho, how will we start? We don't have net profit. Simply, I'll take the incomes, this one. I'll start with this figure and I'll reduce properly those expenditures which are eligible. Only those expenditures which are eligible from business. Okay? Are हाँ या ना? Depreciation, etc. etc. Understood? That's it. That will be my PGPP profit. Did you understand what I'm telling you? कुछ समझे? Let's write down. चलो, computation of total income of Rajiv. for AY 23-24. Yeah. Particulars rupees. Ready? So income from HP. Will we do apportionment or no? Yes. Chalo. So first part for let out. Actual rent received. That is the GAV also. 60,000, is it right? 5,000 na bachcho per month. 5,000 per month into 12, 60,000. Is there anything given about municipal taxes paid, payment of municipal taxes? Nothing. So that is also my NAV. Is it okay? GAV. Also NAV is 60,000. Chalega, all of you? Less deduction under section 24. A. Standard deduction at the rate of 30% of NAV. 18. Are हाँ या ना? And B, important. Interest on borrowed capital. Interest on borrowed capital. $88,000 बच्चों. Is there any ceiling limit on let out part for interest? Tell me all of you. No. So I'll take bachcho 88,000 is 50%. There is no ceiling limit now. 50% I hope you're understanding why. Half. Half SOP, half let out. है ना? 44. How much is this? 54, 64, 62. Huh? Negative. 2000 nil. Negative ना बच्चों? 2000 loss. Letter बच्चों can mean loss also. Yes. For SOP part, GAV NAV is nil. By the way, I hope you remember, है ना? SOP, GAV NAV is nil. So बच्चों only what deduction under section 24B. Yes. Same logic. 80,000 into 50%. But restricted to rupees 30,000. Yes or no? Shinch. Loan taken prior to. One four 1999. कुछ समझा? Very important है बच्चों. Give a star mark here. Okay ना everybody? Okay? ठीक है everybody? Done? also negative. That is basically income oblique loss from house property 32,000. चलेगा? Can we set it off? Anybody, not from anywhere we can set off, ना by the way, है ना? Second, income from profession. Now, like I said, we don't have a profit element given to us directly that we disallow from that. So instead of that, we'll take only incomes and reduce only the allowed expenditures. That makes more sense. Yes, Shilya? So, fees from services. How much? 59 lakh 38,000 है ना? Less. Expenditure the staff salary, we can write in short, है ना? Staff salary expenses. It is obviously a proper valid expenditure. Correct? Other admin. $1148. Office rent, I think there is no adjustment for office rent, correct? 30. Now the housing loan, LIC, this doesn't have any impact on our calculation. Motor car is a capital expenditure, again not allowed. I mean, I cannot reduce from here. Books brought, yes. Now we start taking depreciation. That we will do, no problem. Computer required capital expenditure. Domestic drawings, again we cannot reduce from here. PPF, no. Motor car maintenance, bachcho, we can do. $10,000. But of that, what you will allow only 4/5. Na? How much? 1/5 is what? Check here. 1/5 bachcho what? Personal. So we'll allow only 4/5. Did you understand? All of you? 8,000? अरे हाँ या ना? We are reducing only the professional part. Motor car was used for put to use both official and personal purpose. 1/5 was for personal. What about बच्चों? That motor car is used for both, na? What about interest on loan taken for motor car? What about that? Check here. No car loan interest was paid during the year. Does it make any difference? Does it make any difference, बच्चों? No car loan was paid during the year. It, बच्चों, matters based on the type of books of accounts followed. Very good, Indrajit. Rajiv follows regularly the cash system of accounting. Cash system of accounting. Since it is cash system of accounting, and has he paid the interest? Not paid. So will we allow a bachcho as a deduction? Absolutely not. Hi Anna. So we'll write down that as a note. Depreciation allowed. You follow whichever system, but depreciation will be allowed, बच्चों. अरे हाँ. Depreciation as per income tax. चलेगा? चलो, असेट्स, मोटर कार बच्चों फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, है ना? You will give me the figure. Motor car depreciation allowed. Whatever is, I will not say anything more. I want the बच्चों figure. Okay, Indrajit, very good. Others? अरे डेप्रिसिएशन चाहिए बाबा. Why are you giving me WDV? You want depreciation, not WDV. Come on, Khushbu. Okay, Mansi, yes, right. Khushbu, Akshay. Simple questions I'm asking you, not tough at all. बोलो. अच्छा, I read 3 lakh. Okay, no, 31,000 also no. Okay, I read 3 lakh. Okay, 4 lakh 25,000 cost. I told you, obviously, yes, Nitin, correct. 7.5%. Okay, correct ना? मोटर गाड़ी समझ बच्चों, 15% only, तो 7.5% will take. But of that, 4/5 again, same thing, same logic. We have used this logic before also. That I will not allow entire depreciation बच्चों, because I will reduce the personal proportion part. So again, 4/5 is allowed. 25,500. Understood, Khushbu? Give a star mark wherever you give different answers. Second, books. There's annual publication. I think it is 40% rate. Annual publication, okay? चलेगा? How much is the expenditure? 20,000 into 40%. 8. है ना? These are all to be reduced, huh, बच्चों? They are all depreciation, huh? We have to reduce all of them. See, computer acquired 1/11/22, again half depreciation. They have given you clearly this is for professional use, it is not personal. Okay, so 30,000 बच्चों into what? 20%, correct ना? Because computer rate is 40%, 6,000. What else? Is there opening WDV? Yes, we have opening WDV. FNF, plant and machinery, computers. चलो, depreciation on opening WDV. FNF, plant and machinery, computers. चलेगा ना? 6,000. 80 into 15% बच्चों 12,000, and 50,000 into 10%, oh sorry, 5 or 20,000, है ना? These are your figures for computation, है ना बच्चों? Nothing tough. I'm writing here 60,000, sorry, into 10%. बोलो. Everything is covered now. Gross total income. ₹24,92,500. Yes. Less what? Chapter 60 reduction. है ना? What are the payments we have in chapter 6? ATC. चलो, first one is what? ATC. Housing loan principal. How much? 1 lakh, correct? Then LIP, life insurance premium. I'm writing in short LIP, 24,000. I think there is PPF also somewhere. PPF 20. Anybody else in ATC? No. Correct, 144, whatever will go in for ATC. What is the limit of ATC? 150, na? Okay. 80D is also there, I think. Correct. MIP, medical insurance premium, 18,000 allowed. Any other expenditure? No. That is your NTI. Net total income. How much? Give me the figure. $23,500. Fine. And just write a small note about that. Interest on loan for motor car. Be very careful, okay? Otherwise, we would have allowed that expenditure, okay? So write down. Note. Interest on loan for acquisition of asset is allowed as deduction. Full stop. However, assessee follows cash system. Correct, no? And it is not actually paid. It is given in the question, na bachcho. Interest is not actually paid. Therefore, not allowed as deduction. Otherwise, bachcho, it would have reflected in the payments side also, na, over here. But not paid only, what to do? Done? I think we covered around what, 4 questions, I think. हाँ है ना, बोलो. Done or not done? Done, everybody? So that is it for today. More 3 days I think we'll require, we'll finish it off. Okay? Okay, that is it for today for Bacho. Okay, fine.
Recording stopped.
YouTube वालों bye bye.